Gutia railway station is where the train passes and the driver doubles the train's speed. Everyone closes the windows and locks the train doors from inside. Big Ankota railway station, located in Purulia district of West Bengal, is unstaffed. It's said that in 1960, a girl was run over by a moving train while trying to board it. A few days later, the train lost